Hey Hamster Kombat fans, welcome back to Crypto Buddy. Today I am going to tell you about the mechanics of Hamster Kombat and how a single mistake could drastically affect your earnings. We'll be discussing why one person might get a $50 airdrop on 1 million profit per hour while another could get $5,000 for the same amount. Stay with me as I explain everything you need to know to maximize your Hamster Kombat earnings and avoid critical mistakes. Firstly, let's talk about the Hamster Kombat's latest updates. Hamster Kombat is an exciting platform where participants mine hamster coins and work to increase their profit per hour. Despite the efforts put into increasing earnings, many players still have unanswered questions that lead them to make blind, uninformed decisions. The key to succeeding in Hamster Kombat is not just hard work, but smart work. Today, we'll discuss how you can rise to the top 1% and secure the biggest airdrops. Let me explain to you the airdrop discrepancy. Why would one person receive a $50 airdrop while another gets $5,000 for the same profit per hour? The answer lies in the additional criteria beyond profit per hour that affect the airdrop distribution. Most people focus solely on increasing their profit per hour without realizing that other activities and levels significantly impact the airdrop amount. Talking about the levels and rankings, Hamster Kombat operates on a tiered system where players are ranked based on their profit per hour. However, achieving a high profit per hour alone isn't enough to guarantee a large airdrop. The game includes various levels such as Epic, Diamond, Legendary, Master, Grandmaster, and Lord. Each level has its own airdrop pool, and higher levels receive a larger share of the total airdrop amount. Lord level, this is the highest level where top earners reside. The total airdrop pool for this level is $200 million. Players at this level, such as those with a profit per hour exceeding $3 million, will receive the largest airdrops. For instance, a player at the top of the Lord level ranking, like Crypto Whale, will get the highest portion of the $200 million airdrop. The next level down is the Grandmaster level, which has a total airdrop pool of $100 million. Despite the high airdrop pool, it is distributed among more players compared to the Lord level, reducing the individual airdrop amounts. Other levels, the Epic, Diamond, and Legendary levels have smaller airdrop pools and more participants, which further dilutes the amount each player can receive. Now it's time for a strategy for maximizing airdrops. To maximize your airdrops, you need to focus on both increasing your profit per hour and advancing through the levels. Listen to these steps carefully. You need to increase your profit per hour. Engage in high-yield activities, participate in events, and optimize your in-game investments to boost your earnings. Aim for consistent growth to reach higher profit per hour milestones. Also, you need to advance through levels. Work towards advancing from lower levels like Epic and Diamond to higher levels like Legendary, Master, Grandmaster, and eventually Lord. This requires not only increasing your profit per hour, but also engaging in other qualifying activities that the game might require. Always maintain a balanced approach. It's crucial to balance your efforts between boosting profit per hour and fulfilling other criteria that contribute to level advancement. By doing so, you ensure that you are not just working hard, but also smart, positioning yourself for the largest possible airdrop. Now imagine Hamster Kombat generates a profit of 1 million units per hour. Given a distribution ratio of 1:100, this translates to 10,000 tokens distributed per hour. Now, if the initial token price is $0.27, these 10,000 tokens would amount to a total value of $2,700. Should the token price rise to $0.30, the value of those tokens would increase to $3,000. This scenario illustrates how a higher profit per hour can directly impact earnings, especially when coupled with favorable token price movements. Let's forget about 1 million. Consider a scenario where the hourly profit is halved to 500,000 units. Applying the same distribution ratio would result in 5,000 tokens distributed per hour. At an initial token price of $0.27, these 5,000 tokens would be valued at $1,350. If the token price were to rise to $0.30, the value of these tokens would rise to $1,500. This example underscores how lower hourly profits lead to proportionally reduced token earnings, emphasizing the sensitivity of earnings to the level of profitability. These calculations help you to understand the dynamic nature of earnings from Hamster Kombat, influenced significantly by both the hourly profit generated and the current token price. Investors and stakeholders should carefully monitor these factors as they directly impact potential income and returns on investment in the platform. One last and the most important that we urge you is to be cautious. While the potential earnings from Hamster Kombat are appealing, it's important to be mindful of the risks involved. Firstly, the market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile and can change rapidly, impacting the value of your tokens. Be prepared for fluctuations and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term price movements. Ensure that your wallet and account are secure to prevent any loss of tokens. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Frequent regulatory changes are also a major risk. Stay informed about regulatory changes that could impact cryptocurrency trading by subscribing to our channel. Government policies can affect the legality, taxation, and trading of digital assets, so it's crucial to stay updated and compliant. In conclusion, succeeding in Hamster Kombat requires a combination of hard work and smart work. By increasing your profit per hour, advancing through levels, and staying informed about market trends and regulatory changes, you can maximize your earnings and secure large airdrops. Remember, the key is to balance your efforts and make strategic decisions to stay ahead in the game. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next video, and happy mining.